Hi everyone,
It's 2 Youths Transplanted.
and we're back
That's cute.
with an easy, adorable Easter lamb felt craft project that you simply have got to see. For this project we used a ruler, a piece of scrap cardboard that we cut into oval shapes for the bottoms of the lambs, these ribbons from Walmart in the color yellow, which is a little skinny grosgrain, and also in the grosgrain a blue and white polka dot. We also use these googly eyes that we purchased at Walmart, as well as an entire bag of cotton balls, and which we still think is a cheaper option to polyfill. It works just as well, and everybody pretty much has cotton balls on hand. You also need craft felt squares in the color pink, gray, and white, and you will need thread in the color gray, white, and black.
And you'll also need these crafter's scissors. We found these at Dollar Tree, and they are terrific. You don't get ragged edges with them, and they really, really do a good job.
They don't snag on material, and they cut straight through. It makes a really clean cut, and for $1 you can't beat that. So if you see those at Dollar Tree, I believe they're made by Crafter's Square, go ahead and pick those up. Those are a really good bargain. Okay, you will also be cutting your felt pieces out, and we provided the measurements for you on the screen. So if you want to go ahead and screenshot this or pause it so that you can get the correct measurements to make them the size that we did. This is for the larger lamb, however. We did not give you the measurements for the smaller lamb, just for the larger lamb, because pretty much for the smaller one, you just cut down your pieces some just to get a smaller size. You don't have to, we didn't use exact measurements. That's why I didn't provide exact measurements on the smaller one. But if you do want to make the larger size lamb the exact measurements that we did, go ahead and screenshot it or save this, and then you can cut your pieces to the exact size.
Don't forget to cut a small cloud-shaped piece for the top of your little lamb's heads.
For the embroidery on the lamb's face, we used 3 pieces of thread to give it extra thickness for a bold line. For the entirety of the lamb, except for the embroidery on the face, we used a simple whip stitch to seal up all of the edges. You could also use glue for a faster option, but we highly recommend using this simple whip stitch all around your project for a clean finish look that will last for years to come.
Drum roll, please. Introducing Wilhelmina and Walter.
This is footage of Wilhelmina and Walter, and we think they're adorable.
She came up with those names. I think they're so cute.
Let me explain real quickly of how we stuffed the bottoms and put the base on it so that they'll stand up properly. All we did was stuff the lamb, and then we took the piece of scrap cardboard that we had cut into an oval and the piece of felt that we had cut into an oval, and after we stuffed it, we laid the piece of cardboard over the stuffing and put the felt on top of that piece of cardboard, and then we stitched all around it, stitching the walls of the lamb felt to the bottom piece of felt, and gave it a finished look. And this is why we said earlier to not use glue, because
it gives it a certain charm if you do it correctly.
We're using stitches. It just adds a certain richness to it that
Yes.
glue just isn't going to have.
Yes.
Remember, in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.
Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Bye.